Antillean Adventist University has a big dream. Its staff and students want to build a center of influence with an evangelistic center large enough for service to the community and for worship to God. This has been their dream for more than 50 years. Located in Maya West, Puerto Rico, the university is surrounded by tree-covered mountains and has a view of the Atlantic Ocean. Part of the United States, Puerto Rico is a popular tourist destination and a recognized paradise in the Caribbean Sea. In Puerto Rico, people are friendly and they enjoy taking time for good conversation. Among 4 million inhabitants, Seventh-day Adventist members find creative ways to communicate hope by building relationships, and one effective platform is Adventist education. Antillean Adventist University is the church's only institution of higher education in the country. Students from a variety of cultures come from all over to live and study on this campus. At least 22 countries are represented here. Local church members are proud of the university's work in training missionaries. Sanalise is a nursing student on campus. Here, she studies the body and how to care for it. But she also learns about an intelligent designer who created the amazing inner workings of the human body. Through Adventist friendships and religious programs, Sanalise has had the opportunity to explore spiritual matters for herself.
Each Wednesday, Thursday, and Saturday, I attend worship services. I've never missed one. These have helped me a lot. The weeks of prayer, Sabbath activities, youth ministries, and all these things have impacted my life since I'd never experienced anything like this before.
As she developed a holistic view of the world, Sanalise began to fall in love with God and the Adventist family, and then she asked to be baptized. Today, she is an active member in the university congregation and in mission service abroad. She recently returned from a missionary experience in Thailand. Despite its primary role of fostering community, the university still doesn't have a facility to host this group's many outreach activities. From early on, the construction of an evangelistic center has been a cherished dream for this community.
Es de suma importancia este lugar porque desde este lugar.
This place is very important because there will be training for hundreds of young people who will come as pastors and missionaries to serve not only Puerto Rico, but also the United States, Latin America, and the world.
Es necesario en este momento tener ese santuario.
It is necessary to have this sanctuary for the Lord, so that there will be leaders who will bring the good news of the gospel to every corner of the planet.
When completed, this facility will sit 1,000 people and can be used for church services. It will serve as a mission training facility and will also minister to both adults and children. This quarter, a portion of your 13th Sabbath offering will help build this needed center of influence and evangelistic center at Antillean Adventist University. Thank you for your support of Adventist Mission. As the flames burned the only church on campus, the students and faculty wondered why such a terrible thing would happen to their small place of worship at the University of the Southern Caribbean, or USC. Around the USC campus, you will find a variety of world religions represented. After all, Trinidad and Tobago is a land of great cultural and religious diversity. For more than 90 years, USC has educated and empowered its students. Now there are approximately 3,000 students enrolled and living on this campus. With a ratio of 1 Adventist for every 3 people, the students have a unique opportunity to rub shoulders with peers from different worldviews and to learn about their cultures and beliefs. The faculty here emphasizes moral values, ethics, and Christ-like service in the classroom and in the surrounding areas. Here there are plenty of opportunities to meet the needs of the neighboring community. Because of these programs, the Adventist University is respected and well regarded in this city. The young people here eagerly participate in outreach programs. There is no prejudice, and everyone, regardless of religious background, can get together to serve the community and make a positive difference. But after the fire, the Adventist University was left without a place to gather and organize mission-minded activities. The fire destroyed everything, and now, after a good cleanup, they must rebuild. This quarter, with financial support from the World Church, a portion of your 13th Sabbath offering will help construct a new, better, and more efficient church building on the USC campus.
It is more than just a church. It is a community mission center where we distribute, where we meet the needs of the community by remedial literacy classes, other welfare programs, healthy cooking classes. We hope to house these ministries in this community mission center, but we also wish to expand to touch different people groups. There has never been a better occasion for a church at USC.
The new church will seat up to 1,700 people. It will house a cross-cultural community center for a variety of outreach activities, as well as a classroom for mission training. After that tragic fire, the new facility will be a visual reminder of God's providence and interest in people's lives, health, and salvation. This quarter, your 13th Sabbath offering will benefit 3 projects in the Inter-American Division. A new church will be built at Antillean Adventist University in Puerto Rico, and a new church and community center will be built at the University of the Southern Caribbean in Trinidad. Your offerings will also expand the Southeast Hospital in Mexico. Thank you for your mission offerings.